same thing. The government has become a business mortician. You should have checked the government statistics before you came here. Taxes are going down because of this kind of talk. I'm sorry, but I want you to go and get as annoyed as I am. These people have invested in their machines. If you ask, God, I'm here, seated. He's been in this industry longer than me. He has a lot of rigs. He has invested more than 100 or 200 million. You can't just walk in here and refuse to listen to this gentleman when he tells you that government, has made boreholes very expensive. Those illegal boreholes, Bwana CEO, you're talking about, you're very responsible. Because it takes so long for your permit to come out. In fact, I've always asked this one question. Once I make an application and pay government fee, and somebody has come to inspect, what do you call that thing? They call it what? Site verification. You still have to wait for Orma to send this thing from Nairobi to Machakos to NHIF. Then it takes the same route for you to give me the damn money. What are you talking about? Let's be serious. We will end this nonsense. Bwana CEO, listen to me. Even when you did the regulation, I was with the chairman. The chairman is sitting next to you. The only place we could find you was in Machakos. The chairman of the association is next to you. The place we debated that we can only catch WRA and make our presentation, the nearest was Machakos. Please, CEO, give us some respect. We have invested money in this industry. When he tells you Kenya is a water scarce country, don't talk to us about Copenhagen. They can afford. They can. If you're talking about best practice, we can give you best practice because we practice it every day. In fact, as you spoke there, I was asking this gentleman, was this a dinner for Davis and Shatley for us to discuss or to get a government lecture? No. Me, I am tired. I don't know about you guys. Me, I'm a choker. See, let me tell you, if you want this industry to flourish, listen to us. Hear us. If Davis and Shatley cannot sell the meters because it's mandated to one business, what is the use of leaving out the biggest seller of water meters out of the tender? What is the use? You said you're waiting for the regulations in January. In the meantime, what do we do with the clients? We install which meters? In January, you will require that same client to buy a meter which is at 100,000. Meanwhile, I've installed another one at 40,000 from Davis and Shatley. What will they do with that meter? Listen, compliance should be made easier for your clients. Listen to me. Listen to me. Make it easy for people to comply. When you don't, people cut corners. I am so sorry, but it was so annoying to hear you condescendingly answer this gentleman. No, I couldn't take it. I could not take it for you to tell him water is not expensive when he's practicing every day. And he knows the clients can't afford it. Okay. I know. Wait. I am the last one. Don't worry. I know my clients cannot afford. They don't need to say anything much. What I am telling you is what all these people grapple with every day. But they are afraid of saying it. So somebody has to do it. Somebody has to do it. That person is me. So these people are just afraid of saying this. Now, second and last thing. Listen, CEO, let me give you a very simple way of making us comply. Then you can come with all the penalties if you so wish. Number one, please differentiate these boreholes. When you talk about the aspect that water, you're protecting this water resource for future generation, that's very good battle. Because the very people here are parents of children who will be alive tomorrow. So what you should be asking is, where is this water required most? You should be protecting water in urban areas. Because, for example, Isili, yes, it's true, there's a borehole just about every other meter. Those places must be protected. Karen, the water has become so deep. But when I am drilling in Migori, or somewhere in Turkana, where the whole village plus constituents is looking forward to this water, you are there telling me to get a permit. Do you know what the Turkanas, do you think they really give a damn whether you have a permit or not? They do not, and you have not experienced it. In fact, I was about to ask you, when I should hear, no offense, but how many boreholes have you drilled? Because you gave us a very perfect lecture. How many boreholes have you personally drilled to talk to us about what to do. Because, for example, I'm just asking myself.
I think
just one minute only. 1 minute. One last minute, brother. No, just listen. 1 minute, brother.
Let's let it be 1 minute.
1 minute. Ask these people. I drill a borehole. You have found one aquifer. You've told me to block it. What do I tell a customer who has already seen water? People, let us be practical.
Atiye tufunge tuendelee chini. Na ujui kama ni dry huko chini.
Because I will tell my customer the law says you cannot have this water. You can't do. Please, I want you. In fact, now I want to challenge you, Shuria. Set a forum where we actually tell you the truth. You will become a better regulator. Believe me, we'll make you shine. Even before your regulations come out of parliament, I'm telling you before God, we'll make you shine. Otherwise, these people are going to go to court. They are not telling you the truth, but you'll find them in court.